Hey folks, Tank Masters is busy. We're all over the place. Monday we were in Franklin Lakes, New Jersey. Tuesday we were in Westchester County, Yonkers. Yesterday we were in Dutchess County, Poughkeepsie. Today we are in Putnam County. Real easy project. The 1,000 gallon tank removal. It's under all this slate with Belgian block. Don't be scared by that, it's going to come out perfect. Let me show you our install. And there you go. That's good. And there you have it. I told you there was nothing to worry about. That's a good tank. A little bit of seed in here. Final rake up. Beautiful. That's another fine job. Tank Masters Environmental.